Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Mark, and here to give the commentary on the markets. Today is Wednesday, 10 o'clock in the evening, and the market has been open for about half an hour already. So you can see basically on the spiders, like I always say, I look at the 50-day moving average slope, all right, and the angle of the slope to determine the trend of the market, and you can see that the market has reached a new highs and is actually pretty strong. Although the last few days it has been a little bit what we call narrow range. Okay, these are narrow ranges of the market. So for me, I would feel that from a seasonal basis, I'm still not comfortable to commit too much capital during between May all the way to maybe September to October lah. And that is what I have been doing for many years already, and it has rarely failed me. Of course, it doesn't work all the time, but I think caution must be put lah into the market as of now. So you can see most of my positions are pretty defensive lah, especially the bulk of my positions are in healthcare. Of course, I may not be right. You can choose to do whichever deem fit for you lah. Okay, but right now the market has been showing some form of very strong resilience in a sense that it doesn't really want to go down lah. Okay, but let's just move on to the stocks that I've been trading. All right, so UNH, which I've talked about 2 weeks back, doing very well. Okay, now it's trading at $79.88 from my initial price of $75.60 with a stop loss at 74. So obviously my stop loss has been break even already, and then my last position has already reached a 3-to-1 potential risk reward. All right, for this, so it is a very good trade. All right, on this. And I'm looking for an excuse to take off this position because I think for such a short span of time, given the magnitude of the move, I'm actually pretty happy. That means within close to a month, you make about 5 to 6%. I think that is pretty good lah for a monthly trade. Okay, and then of course I also talk about USB. All right, it's a very good strong banking stock in the States. So my entry was at 40.569 and stop loss at 39.80. It's the same thing like as the UNH trade, all right. It's just that this one, because the stop loss is a little bit wider, you can see the stop loss is slightly wider as per normal, as compared to the UNH trade. Sorry, and for this one, it has reached a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio already. So I'll just try to let it ride as far as I can for this because this is a financial stock. Maybe it has more slightly better capacity to move. But we will just see how it goes, all right? But basically, I can't lose on this trade anymore and have booked some profits on this already. So unless it goes all the way down to hit my break-even stop loss, I will just let it, trail my stop upwards, and hopefully it can hit the highs of maybe 43.50, 43.75. And that's a big question mark, but that is how trading is lah. You should, let it have the potential to move to uncharted territories or places where you think it can't move, because many times the market can surprise you both on the upside and the downside. Okay, so another trade I was in also is Tesla. Okay, Tesla, I've already take 2 profit targets. All right, at about 210 because my stop loss is very small in this trade. Okay, and today it could hit my break-even stop loss, but as of now it has not hit my break-even stop loss. So this is just a very small quick trade on Tesla. Okay, and for this week the stocks I'm looking at are actually FOSL, FOSL. You know, the watch shop and apparel shop that's also in Singapore. So I think this stock has been showing pretty strong signs of strength, okay, as compared to the general market. But it has slightly moved away a little, so I'm waiting for a little bit of pullback for this. And same for American Express. Okay, American Express still showing very strong resilience, so I'm hoping for a slight pullback before a short-term momentum turn for this, and also Walmart. So I think for most of the stocks right now, I'm actually looking for a little bit of pullback on some of the stronger stocks. But at the current moment, I find that I have difficulty finding what we call stronger stocks in the market. Not like, during 1 to 2 weeks back, I can actually see more candidates. But right now, I don't see much going on, and most of the stocks have already moved quite a distance. Okay, another stock I'm actually looking at is IBM. Okay, IBM is actually a stock that's pretty difficult to trade because you can see it has extreme moves. Okay, extreme moves, and it is quite an advanced stock to trade because it's not so trendy. You can see it's more of a choppy sideways kind of stock, but the magnitude of the moves can be pretty huge if it moves. So I'm also looking at IBM, okay, because basically this stock is I think the valuation is close to at least 200 plus. All right, but we won't know when it will fulfill this intrinsic value target okay, but I'm very comfortable to trade this stock with size, but I don't think it's for beginners so I don't think I want to comment too much on this, but this is something I'm also looking at. All right, so I think that's all for this week. I really don't see much opportunities, and I think for the spiders, it is very, very small, very rangy, and not much movement. Okay, so just be careful with the markets, and like I said, try to scale back your positions if possible. You don't want to be greedy, too greedy in this environment, and then if the markets correct very strongly, you get hit very hard. Okay, so just trade safe and take a defensive position. Thank you.